Sichuan cooking is full of vibrant and versatile flavors. Here are 4 authentic ingredients that deserve a place in your pantry. They're readily available online, in Asian supermarkets, and increasingly you can even find them in American supermarkets. First up, Sichuan peppercorns. These reddish-brown husks are neither peppercorns nor are they related to chilies. They're actually the dried fruit rinds of the Chinese prickly ash tree. They have a lemony tartness and piney aroma, but what they're best known for is the unique tingling sensation they produce on your tongue and lips when you eat them. If you've never tried one, you're in for a real trip. Next up, Asian broad bean chili paste. Now this is made from a combination of red chilies and fava beans, along with salt and wheat flour, and it's fermented for up to 8 years. It adds a funky, meaty depth to dishes, along with a nice punch of heat. Go get it. Next, Sichuan chili powder. Now this is made from the dried crushed pods of the Facing Heaven chili pepper. Now these are named for their habit of pointing upwards on plants as they grow, rather than hanging down the way most chilies do. It looks a lot like Italian red pepper flakes, but they're much more mild and more aromatic. Finally, fermented black beans. These are small black soybeans that are fermented with salt. In the process, the beans soften, shrivel, and dry out. They end up resembling something like raisins. You want to use them to deepen the umami flavor of your dishes, but beware, they're super salty, so use them sparingly.